Let's warm up. We're kicking it off with a standard 3 to 4 minutes of monostructural movement. My head's cut off, let's get back to it. And let's cover the movements after the monostructural movement and the rolling and the stretching, and let's get to the fun stuff. We're gonna begin with 5 side plank rotations per side. So we're gonna lean on our forearm, fist is forward. We're gonna come down, touch our elbow, open up, reach straight up into the air. That's 1, 2, 3. We're gonna do 5 each side. After the side plank rotations, we're in a 30-second plank on our forearms. Then we're gonna flip over, just like last week, we're gonna go band around our knees, just below our knees. So it'll be right here. The band's gonna be pulling our knees together. We're gonna fight to drive the band out, fighting the resistance, and then do 20 bridges while we are fighting against that banded resistance. 20 reps. We're just pushing into the ground far enough to bring your low back off the ground. Your waistline off the ground, not your mid back. So it's just enough push down through the heels to squeeze those glutes. 3 times through. After our warm up, we're gonna spend 10 to 15 minutes going through some movement prep for today. We're gonna work through an EMOM of strongman type movements. So we wanna spend 10 to 15 minutes preparing our body, preparing our midsection and our central nervous system to move some heavy shit. Let's take a look. Dude, I love picking up heavy stuff and putting it down. We're gonna begin the EMOM with sandbag or stone cleans. So quick recap on the stone. We wanna choose a weight to warm up, especially something we know we're gonna be safe and be able to functionally use. We're gonna stand directly over the weight. So you wanna be a little bit behind it, but mostly right in the center of it. You definitely don't wanna be over the top of it, okay? So we're lined up, letting that mid-foot split the center of the weight. Once we're here, we're gonna send the hips back into a deep squat or almost like a deadlift position. Then we're gonna use our hands to like paddle underneath to get a grip on the sandbag or the stone. From here, we take a deep breath so we're protecting the spine. Big belly, then we're gonna drive through the legs and just bring it to our lap, okay? Here you can squat back down. This is a borderline rest position. So you can adjust my grip, I can get in a better position, I can hug onto it. I'm gonna take a big hug, chin over the top, and we're gonna drive through the legs to bring up to the chest and drop back down. So done a little bit quicker, we're gonna come in, lift to the lap. After the 4 sandbag cleans, we're gonna go through 10 challenging push-ups. There's a lot of options here. We could do handstand push-ups if you are an elite or competitive athlete. We could do strict handstand push-ups. You could do kipping handstand push-ups. We could do hand release push-ups. We could even do plyo or clapping push-ups, which is an explosive push-up from the bottom. So we're down. Just 10 reps that will challenge you individually. In minute 3, we're gonna grab the sandbag or stone that we've been cleaning, pick it up, and we're gonna go for a long walk. And finally today, we're gonna finish up with some heavy Russian kettlebell swings. Today's goal is just to get it above your waist. So we're gonna start, big drive. We wanna stay very tight in the core, stay centered. We're squeezing our knees and our glutes to bring the belt just up past our waist. 4 rounds of 4 different movements. Thank you guys for coming out today. You know that we love strongman here, functional, and staying happy, staying healthy, staying freaking huge. Stay human.